How to find transit number in Royal Bank of Canada. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check your check. If you have a checkbook, the transit number is printed on the bottom left corner of the check. It typically consists of 5 digits. Next, RBC statement. Look at your bank statements, either paper or electronic. The transit number is often listed alongside your account number. Next, contact RBC customer service. Call RBC's customer service and provide them with your account details, and they can give you your transit number. Fourth, visit a local branch. Go to the nearest RBC branch. A representative can help you find your transit number. Also, next is the mobile app. If you have the RBC mobile app, you can check your account details there without needing to log into online banking. So, this is how you can find transit number in Royal Bank of Canada. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.